Imagine a place where centuries of history echo through ancient stone walls, where every corner reveals a story, and where the elegance of a bygone era harmonizes with the indulgence of modern luxury. This is Ashford Castle, a gem of Ireland situated along the serene shores of Lough Corrib. It is a historic landmark and a living masterpiece, skillfully blending medieval splendor with Victorian elegance and modern luxury. Since its founding in 1228 by the House of Burke, Ashford Castle has witnessed centuries of change. From its role as a medieval fortress guarding the western shores of Ireland, to its transformation into a Victorian estate under the Guinness family. Now as one of the world's premier luxury hotels, it has undergone an extraordinary transformation that continues to inspire and amaze. Today, Ashford Castle beckons you to enter a world of unparalleled elegance. In this place you can dine like royalty, relax in ultimate comfort, and explore the untamed beauty of the Irish countryside. But it's not just about the luxury, it's about the unique experiences that await you, from falconry to horseback riding, each promising to leave unforgettable memories. Ashford Castle is more than just a destination, it is an experience, a journey through time, where the past and present converge to create something truly extraordinary. As we explore this iconic fortress and uncover its timeless stories, remember to subscribe to Opulent Chronicles. The story of Ashford Castle begins in the year 1228, when the powerful Anglo-Norman de Burgo family built a fortress on the edge of a monastic site. Designed to protect their lands, this stronghold symbolized their dominance in the region. For over 3 centuries, Ashford Castle stood as a beacon of strength under the de Burgo family, whose name later evolved into Burke or Bork. However, in 1589 the castle's fate changed. After a fierce battle, Sir Richard Bingham, Lord President of Connaught, seized control, marking the end of de Burgo rule. Bingham fortified the castle, giving it a new role in the service of the English crown. Over time, Ashford Castle became a symbol of resilience and the shifting tides of power in Irish history. From its origins as a medieval fortress to its role in Ireland's turbulent history, Ashford Castle's early years laid the foundation for the legacy that endures today. In the late 17th century, Ashford Castle transformed from a military fortress into a stately residence when Dominic Browne acquired the estate through a royal grant. By 1715, the Browne family established the Ashford estate, constructing a hunting lodge inspired by French chateau designs. Over the next century, the family's influence shaped the castle and its surroundings. The double-headed eagle crest, a symbol of the Browne legacy, adorned the roof while the estate grew into a haven of beauty and refinement. The Browne family's vision extended beyond architecture. They invested in the estate's grounds, creating picturesque landscapes that complemented the castle's elegance and offered tranquility to its residents and visitors. This era marked the castle's evolution from a stronghold into a sanctuary, setting the stage for the grandeur and hospitality that defines Ashford Castle today. In 1852, Ashford Castle entered a new era of transformation and grandeur. Sir Benjamin Lee Guinness, a famed member of the Guinness brewing dynasty, purchased the estate. With his immense wealth and vision, Sir Benjamin reimagined the castle, elevating it to a symbol of Victorian elegance and refinement. Sir Benjamin expanded the estate to an impressive 26,000 acres. His vision was to own a castle and craft a masterpiece. He added 2 Victorian-style wings, blending medieval charm and modern luxury. Roads were built, thousands of trees were planted, and the castle began to evolve into a breathtaking estate unlike any other in Ireland. Sir Benjamin's work was continued by his son, Lord Ardilaun, who inherited the estate in 1868. Lord Ardilaun, a passionate gardener and architect of vision, added a neo-Gothic west wing to the castle. Designed by the renowned architects James Franklin Fuller and George Ashland, this addition seamlessly connected the medieval structure to the Victorian expansions. Lord Ardilaun's love for nature was unparalleled. He cultivated vast woodlands, creating picturesque walking trails and scenic views. The gardens flourished under his care with vibrant blooms and rare species worldwide, transforming the estate into a sanctuary of natural beauty. Ashford Castle became a beacon for Ireland's elite and international royalty during the Guinness family era. The vision of Sir Benjamin Lee Guinness and Lord Ardilaun turned a medieval fortress into a majestic estate that blended history, art, and innovation. Today, the legacy of the Guinness family endures in every corner of Ashford Castle. By the mid-20th century, Ashford Castle had established itself as a global icon, captivating the hearts of royalty, Hollywood stars, and world leaders. In 1905, Ashford Castle welcomed the Prince of Wales, who would later ascend the throne as King George V. His visit was a testament to the castle's prestige, solidifying its reputation as one of Ireland's most distinguished destinations. Guests were greeted with opulent feasts, grand receptions, and the kind of hospitality that would define the castle for generations. Years later, U.S. President Ronald Reagan chose Ashford Castle as the setting for his visit to Ireland. Amid its historic walls, he found not just luxury but a reflection of the deep ties between Ireland and the United States. But perhaps Ashford Castle's most famous moment in the spotlight came in 1951, when legendary director John Ford brought his production of The Quiet Man to the west of Ireland. Starring John Wayne and Maureen O'Hara, the film showcased the castle and its surroundings in all their glory, cementing its place in Hollywood history. For months, the tranquil beauty of the castle served as both a set and a retreat. The film's success immortalized Ashford Castle, drawing visitors eager to walk the same halls and gardens seen on the silver screen. Over the years, Ashford Castle has welcomed an illustrious roster of guests. John Lennon and George Harrison found inspiration here. Grace Kelly and Prince Rainier III of Monaco enjoyed its elegance. Robin Williams, Brad Pitt, Pierce Brosnan, and countless other stars sought its tranquility and charm. Ashford Castle became more than just a hotel. It was a destination for those seeking privacy, beauty, and the world's finest luxuries. Its ability to host the world's elite, from royalty to Hollywood icons, is a testament to its enduring allure. In more recent years, the castle once again captured the imagination of audiences, serving as the French court in the hit television series Reign. Its timeless beauty brought medieval Europe to life, enchanting a new generation of viewers. From royal visits to cinematic stardom, Ashford Castle has played host to the dreams and stories of some of the world's most renowned figures. Its walls echo with laughter, applause, and the quiet reverence of those who have walked its halls, drawn by its magic and mystery. Few places can claim such a rich history, culture, and glamour tapestry. In 1939, Ashford Castle stepped into a new chapter, opening its doors to the world as a luxury hotel. It all began with Noel Huggard, a visionary hotelier who recognized the castle's potential to welcome travelers from near and far. With deep roots in the Irish hospitality industry, the Huggard family had already made a name for themselves in Waterville, County Kerry. Noel brought this tradition of excellence to Ashford, creating a haven for guests seeking tranquility and adventure in equal measure. Ashford Castle quickly gained a reputation for its unique offerings. Guests were invited to embrace the great outdoors through country pursuits like fishing on Lough Corrib, falconry demonstrations, and leisurely walks through the estate's sprawling woodlands. It wasn't just a place to stay, it was an immersive experience in the heart of Ireland. In 1970, the castle changed hands once again. John Mulcahy, a passionate Irish entrepreneur, undertook the ambitious task of restoring and expanding Ashford Castle. Under his guidance, the property doubled in size, adding a new wing that seamlessly blended with the original architecture. Mulcahy also developed a 9-hole golf course and enhanced the gardens, ensuring that the estate offered something for every visitor. During this time, Ashford Castle refined its reputation for exceptional dining. Guests could indulge in world-class meals in the George V dining room, named in honor of the British monarch who once graced the castle with his presence. The menu, featuring locally sourced ingredients, became a celebration of Ireland's culinary heritage. Over the decades, Ashford Castle evolved from a private retreat into a world-class hotel. Yet it never lost its connection to its rich history. Every room, every corridor, every corner of the estate carries the echoes of centuries past, offering guests a unique blend of heritage and hospitality. Whether you're here for the timeless elegance of its suites, the thrill of its outdoor adventures, or the serenity of its natural surroundings, Ashford Castle offers something extraordinary for everyone. It is not just a hotel but a gateway to Ireland's history, culture, and beauty. In 2013, Ashford Castle faced a critical period in its history. After centuries of grandeur and decades of hosting royalty, celebrities, and travelers, the castle needed a savior. Enter Red Carnation Hotels, a company renowned for its dedication to preserving historic properties while crafting extraordinary guest experiences. When Red Carnation Hotels acquired Ashford Castle, the vision was clear: to restore the property to its former glory and elevate it to new heights of luxury. With an investment of €47 million, this restoration would be one of the most ambitious projects ever undertaken in the hospitality world. Every detail of the castle was meticulously examined. Over 820 windows were replaced, a new lead roof was installed, and the stone facade was repointed to restore its medieval charm. Craftspeople from across Ireland and beyond were brought in to ensure the work honored the castle's heritage. Inside, the castle's transformation was nothing short of breathtaking. Original features were restored to their former splendor, while modern amenities were seamlessly integrated to create an experience of unparalleled comfort. Each of the castle's 83 rooms and suites were designed to tell a story, hosting travelers from around the globe. Today, Ashford Castle is not just a destination, it's an experience. From the moment you arrive, you are transported into a world of timeless elegance, where history meets unparalleled luxury. Every detail has been crafted to immerse guests in a storybook journey like no other. The castle's 83 rooms and suites are a harmonious blend of heritage and comfort. Each space tells its story, adorned with period furnishings, rich fabrics, and intricate details that honor the castle's medieval and Victorian roots. Yet, modern amenities ensure that every stay is as comfortable as enchanting. From intimate rooms that embrace the castle's history, to opulent suites with sweeping views of the estate, every stay feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Dining at Ashford Castle is an experience in itself. The George V dining room, named after the British monarch who once dined here, offers regal sophistication. Guests can savor gourmet dishes crafted from locally sourced ingredients, blending Irish traditions with international flair. For a more casual yet equally exquisite experience, the Boathouse offers lakeside dining that pairs fresh, seasonal flavors with panoramic views. Imagine savoring a freshly prepared seafood platter as the gentle ripples of Lough Corrib set the perfect backdrop. And for a touch of history with your evening drink, the Prince of Wales Bar provides a cozy retreat. Here, guests can enjoy handcrafted cocktails or a fine selection of Irish whiskies in a setting steeped in charm and elegance. Ashford Castle invites guests to explore its 350-acre estates through various activities. The ancient art of falconry comes alive at Ireland's oldest established falconry school, where you can interact with majestic birds of prey in an unforgettable encounter. For the adventurous, horseback riding offers a chance to explore the estate's picturesque trails, while the 9-hole golf course combines sport with spectacular views. Lough Corrib, Ireland's largest lake, is a haven for anglers and boating enthusiasts. Whether you're casting a line for trout or simply enjoying a serene cruise, the lake's beauty is unmatched. The estate's gardens, originally envisioned by Lord Ardilaun, are a masterpiece of Victorian landscaping. Strolling through these lush grounds offers moments of peace and inspiration, with every path revealing a new delight. For those seeking relaxation, the castle's award-winning spa is a sanctuary of calm. From rejuvenating massages to bespoke treatments inspired by Ireland's natural beauty, the spa offers a holistic retreat for the mind, body, and soul. The castle itself is a living museum. Guests can wander through halls adorned with artifacts, portraits, and photographs that tell the story of Ashford's illustrious past. Every corner reveals a piece of history waiting to be discovered. Ashford Castle is more than just a hotel, a journey through history, nature, and luxury. Whether you're here to celebrate a special occasion, reconnect with loved ones, or escape the ordinary, every moment at Ashford Castle becomes a cherished memory. This is Ashford Castle, a place where dreams come to life and every guest is part of its timeless story. As the sun dips below the horizon and casts its final rays over Ashford Castle, it's clear. This is no ordinary destination, it is where history lives. Every stone whispers tales of centuries past, and every experience feels like stepping into a timeless story. Whether savoring a meal inspired by Ireland's rich culinary traditions, wandering through the lush gardens, or enjoying the serenity of the castle's spa, every moment at Ashford Castle is an invitation to escape, indulge, and connect with yourself, with nature, and with the past. Each guest becomes a part of Ashford Castle's ongoing story. For some, it's a place to celebrate milestones. For others, it's a retreat into peace and beauty. But for all, it is a destination that leaves a lasting imprint, a memory to be cherished forever. Ashford Castle is not just a place to stay, it's a journey through centuries of history, the splendor of nature, and the finest luxuries the world has to offer. It reminds us that the most extraordinary experiences connect us to something greater, something timeless. If this journey has inspired you through one of Ireland's most iconic landmarks, join us for more adventures exploring the world's finest destinations. Subscribe to Opulent Chronicles and enter a world of luxury, history, and inspiration.